In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an electric shock effect to your videos using CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab, tap Body Effects, and use the search bar to look for electric shock effect. Choose your preferred design and tap the Add button to apply it to the video. Drag the edges of the effect layer to match your video's duration. With the effect layer selected, fine-tune the effect using the following sliders in the toolbar. Texture, change the style of electric visual. Lateral chromatic, adds a shifting color distortion. Strength, adjust the intensity of the effect. Color, change the overall color of the electric shock. Range, control the area of the effect covers. Speed, sets how fast the animation plays. Blur, adjust the blur intensity. Once you're done, preview your video to see the electric shock effect in action. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your final edit. And that's it! You've successfully added an electric shock effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!